My name is Sean Loughran. I'm from Enable Ireland's AD Training Service. In this video presentation I'm going to show some alternatives to the standard computer mouse for mouse control on a PC. Looking at Ergonomic Mouse all the way to an eye gaze system. This is the typical computer mouse. We control the position of the mouse cursor by physically moving the mouse around. It has two buttons and a scroll wheel to interact with application menus. There's a fine level of hand control required to use it, and for some individuals it may be difficult to use. For some individuals they may experience pain in the wrist or the arm when using it for a period of time. There's lots of alternative options out there to the standard mouse that can be used to control mouse pointer on the computer screen. Starting off with Ergonomic Mouse, there are lots of new shapes that are designed to reduce stress on the arm and the lower arm muscles. The first one here is called the Quill Mouse. It is a moulded shape that provides a rest for the hand and it keeps it in a more vertical position. The mouse buttons are in a similar position to that of the standard mouse. There is a left and right-handed version of this mouse available. This one here is called the Contra Mouse. It's designed to be held similar to a joystick, so again keeping the hand in a more upright position. However, the handle is fixed here and it's moved around in the standard way. Left and right mouse buttons are controlled by the thumb, and there's also a button on the side. There's also a range of other mice that are designed to fit the hand more comfortably. Note that some of these are designed for right-handed use only. These mice are from the Contra range of mice. They come in a range of sizes to fit different size hands. It comes in both left-handed and right-handed versions. Its shape is designed to minimise grip in holding the mouse. This mouse here is from human scale. It has a adjustable palm support to fit different size hands. And this mouse here is a very small hand designed more for children from Tiny Mouse. Other types of mouse pointers are roller balls. These are also known as trackballs. Movement of the cursor is made by moving the ball. These come in a range of shapes. Some are designed to be used by either left or right-handed user. And trackballs are also built into some keyboards, like in this one here. This is the Contra Mouse. It has a built-in mouse as part of a keyboard rest. The bar rotates as well as move from left to right to provide mouse movement. The buttons here provide mouse button actions such as left click or right click. Moving on to some of the more specialised mice. Tracksys supply a trackball mouse pointer. It has a number of extra features that the user can benefit from if they have difficulty with other trackballs. These are having a separate left and right mouse buttons, double click, drag lock, control of mouse speed. It also has a switch interface box which allows external switches to be used and provide similar actions to the front panel buttons. Moving on to joysticks. Here, deflection of the joystick moves the mouse cursor. This one is from Unique Perspectives and is called the Pointed. It provides proportional control of the mouse cursor. So the more the joystick is deflected from the centre, the faster the cursor moves. The buttons around the joystick operate the left click, double click, right click and mouse speed. The standard version has a switch on top which operates the left mouse button. External switches can be connected here and they can control the mouse buttons. This is the Mini Pointed, which is a compact version of the Pointed, and it's designed to be connected to a super mount for easy mounting close to the user, such as maybe using it for chin control, etc. Tracksys also have a joystick mouse similar to the trackball version. It provides proportional control of the mouse cursor. Like their Tracksys trackball, it has extra buttons which give features such as mouse speed, drag lock, and also external switches can be connected to provide control of mouse buttons. This is the Easy Tracks from Tracksys. It has a soft joystick handle with large buttons for left and right click. It incorporates functions such as cursor speed or control of the scroll. This is a touchpad from GlidePoint. An external touchpad can be connected to any PC. Similar to touchpads that are on laptops, they allow the user to move their hand over the touchpad to move the mouse cursor and gently tap when they need to perform a mouse click. Scrolling is also available at the side here. They take up little space when compared to your standard mouse. The IntelliKeys keyboard is an overlay keyboard. A variety of overlays are available for the keyboard, and these can also be customized. This overlay here provides mouse control. Moving on to some of the more high-tech options, this is enabled ViaCam. It's a mouse pointing software that moves the mouse pointer as you move your head. It can be downloaded from SourceForge. It works with a standard laptop or desktop computer using a webcam. So moving your head up and down moves the cursor up and down. Moving left to right moves the cursor left and right. Mouse click can be performed by dwelling the cursor for a short period of time on one spot, for example. But it does require quite good head control to use. One of the most direct ways to control the mouse pointer is to directly touch the screen. It does require a specialist touch sensitive screen. Touching the screen anywhere moves the pointer to that point, and when you re-tap on the screen it activates the mouse click. This is the D9 to USB interface from Unique Perspectives. It plugs into the USB port and provides an interface for switch arrays that use the attached D-type connector. Here I have the wafer switch connected up, and I can control the mouse pointer with it and perform a click operation. Other devices that can be used are the star switch or the penta switch, which both have the detached interface. On this computer I have installed JointKey. It's software that enables a PC game controller to mimic a mouse or keyboard. I have it set up here so that the controller can operate the mouse cursor, and buttons can perform left and right click operations. This software can be downloaded from oneswitch.org. Joybox is a switch interface that allows any switch to be configured for mouse or keyboard emulation. Here I have 4 switches set up to move the mouse around the screen, and another one to perform a left click. This last option I'm going to show for alternative mouse control is an eye gaze system. I am using one from iResponse Technologies. In the case of eye gaze technology, a camera tracks eye movement and the mouse pointer follows the user's gaze. Mouse click is performed by dwelling on a point or by eye blink. It requires the user to have good head and eye control. Eye gaze as an option is typically used as a last resort, however the technology is improving all the time. I have an on-screen keyboard set up here. As I move my gaze around the screen, the cursor will follow my eye, and if I dwell my gaze on any character, it selects that character. So moving my eye here within position of the camera, as I stare at the characters, they're selected. I can use a bit of word prediction on my left hand side. And that's it. Now I've just shown a range of alternative mice options. It's not a comprehensive list, but a sample of the options that are available today. These can provide PC access to a wide range of users' needs, but bear in mind also that operating systems have accessibility options and mouse options that can also assist a user who has difficulty with a standard mouse.